these two things go together.
Bento box.
Bento box. Okay. This, and then
This comes with utensils.
oh, I think I got it wrong. Let's see. Yep. So this.
Okay.
This. Okay. You have to put them together.
And it has a band. Elastic band.
Uh-huh.
Nice.
But what's really cool.
You got this on Amazon.
Yeah, a long time ago.
Nice.
This was my original one.
Okay.
This one,
It's probably still available.
when you take this off,
Put a
take
link
this
in the
out.
description
The
box.
black one's on the bottom.
Okay.
The light one's on the top.
It's like to let out steam or something?
Yeah. And so I always pop them open whenever I close them.
Yeah. So you kind of vacuum seal a little bit.
Yeah.
That's cool.
We got this and this, but what's really cool about this is
You can use this as a plate.
Look, this is a spoon that comes with.
Right.
These come out, and check out this.
So chopsticks.
You pull this out. You pull this out. Put this in here. Put this in here. You have long chopsticks.
Oh my god, that is so cool.
So you pull this out. You pull this out.
It's like James Bond chopsticks.
And you have two full set of chopsticks.
That is like so awesome. And this is all machine washable.
Yeah.
So neat.
Hand washable.
Hand washable.
Whatever.
Cool. Take that, stick that in there. And it screws in. Or just pops in.
Just
pushes
pops in. Pushes in.
So
this,
cool.
This, and this.
Collapsible chopsticks.
And then black goes on bottom. Yeah. And I'll put this lunch together for you today
Nice.
instead of this one.
Okay. So this goes with this thermo bag. Nice. Oh, cool. It keeps it hot or cold.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
take a little purse.
Yeah, but you can also, this has nice because it fits, you can put an ice pack in here, which is have a little ice pack.
Oh, that's why the extra room.
And also you has enough room for a can of pop or a piece of fruit
It's
or
got
both.
reflective surface here.
Yeah.
Keep the
Yeah.
keep
I
it-
usually put this ice pack in here.
yeah. But it didn't come with an ice pack.
No, I just have one somewhere.
So if you want to get this, we'll put the link in the description box and you can buy it. So don't forget to do that.
Yeah, but you don't need an ice pack with what you're putting in here today.
Cool.